students, today we will study English grammar. In that we will study affirmative and negative sentences. First, what is the concept? You have to change affirmative into negative and negative sentence into affirmative without changing the meaning of the sentence. Now, we will study in that first type 1, that is using opposites. Okay, type 1 using opposites. Now example I will give you. This is false. So we will convert into negative sentence without changing the meaning and using opposite. This is false, so this is not true. Got it? In this way we are going to change. Second, I am not happy. Now first sentence, this was affirmative, this is false, we have changed into negative. This is not true. Now this sentence second, I am not happy, this is already a negative sentence, we will change into affirmative. How we are going to write? I am not happy, I am unhappy. Okay, so this was using opposites. One more example I will give you. This sum is very difficult. This sum is very difficult. Now this is affirmative sentence, so we are going to change into negative. This sum is not easy. Okay, this sum is not easy. So in this way, this was type first. We have changed affirmative into negative and vice versa using opposites. Now we will see type 2. बहुत सारे टाइप्स है इसमें. We will see type 2. Type 2. See. In bracket I will write down when there is no auxiliary verb. टाइप 2 कौन सा है? अभी फर्स्ट टाइप कौन सा था? दिस इज फॉल्स. तो इस क्या है हमारा? It is helping verb or it is also called as auxiliary verb. Now type 2 we will study that when there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence. So in that case we are going to use do not, does not, did not. Okay, when there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, how we are going to write? Do not, does not and did not. Examples I will give you. I feel bad. There is no auxiliary verb in the sentence. So answer is I do not feel good. Okay, I feel bad, I do not feel good. According to the tense of the sentence. यहाँ पर I है, personal pronoun है, it is simple present tense, so we are using do not. Second, he accepts the proposal. Okay, he accepts the proposal according to the tense of the sentence. मतलब कैसे? according to the tense of the sentence. Again it is present tense, but यहाँ पर क्या है? S is added to the verb. So whenever s is added to the verb, हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? Does not. He accepts the proposal. He does not reject the proposal. समझ में आ गया? Whenever s is added to the verb, we use does. And one more example. He lived in a remote village. He lived in a remote village. यहाँ पर ed ऐड हुआ है. That means the sentence is in past tense. So यहाँ पर क्या यूज होगा? Did not. He did not live in a nearby village. Okay? I feel bad. I do not feel good. He accepts the proposal. He does not reject the proposal. He lived in a remote village. He did not live in a nearby village. So when there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, make use of do not, does not and did not. I am sure you are getting my point. So this was type 2. Now we will see type number 3. Type 3. Use of able, unable, cannot, could not. Okay? Type 3 use of able, unable, cannot and could not. Examples I will give you. First example. See the first example. I cannot do it. Already the sentence is negative, so we will change into affirmative. I am unable to do it. Got it? We have made use of unable. Next sentence. I was unable to recall. Already the sentence is affirmative. We will change into negative. Past tense है. Whenever there is present tense, हमको क्या use करना है? Cannot. और could not कब use होता है? Whenever there is past tense. I was unable to recall. I could not recall. Okay? One more example. I cannot run fast. Negative sentence we will change into affirmative. I am unable to run fast. Got it? This was type 3 use of able, unable, cannot and could not. Remember, cannot, whenever there is present tense, we will use cannot. Whenever there is past tense, we will use could not. Now, we will come to type number 4. बहुत सारे टाइप्स है इसमें. This is our type number 4. उसमें क्या है? Few मतलब not many and little means not much. Okay? Few, not many, little, not much. Vice versa. अगर सेंटेंस में few आता है तो हम लोग not many यूज करेंगे. अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है not many आता है then we will use few. First example. There are few mangoes in the basket. Okay, already there is few sentences affirmative, we will change into negative. There are not many mangoes in the basket. Okay, one more example I will give you. There is little milk in the pot. There is little milk in the pot. Again affirmative sentence. Little, not much. We will convert into negative without changing the meaning. There is not much milk in the pot. Got it? So this was type number 4. Now we will come to type number 5. बस और एक दो टाइप्स है इसमें, ज़्यादा नहीं है. There are 6 to 7 types. Type number 5. Imperative sentence. Imperative मतलब क्या है? कमांड. तो कैसे लिखेंगे वो हम लोग? Accept it. Okay. Affirmative sentence we will convert into negative. Don't reject it. This is the answer. Don't reject it. Next. Don't come late. Negative sentence we will convert into affirmative. Come early. One more example. Continue the work. So we can write here, don't discontinue the work. Okay. Imperative sentence, command. In this way we are going to change from affirmative into negative. Now only 2 types are left. डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन पढ़ा है सबने. ओके, कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? टाइप 6 डिग्री. राम is the tallest boy in the class. Same formula we are going to apply over here. Superlative degree sentence we are going to convert into positive degree. अगर हमको ये सेंटेंस निगेटिव बनाना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सीधा हम लोग इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? We are going to change into positive. Ram is the tallest boy in the class, so no other boy in the class is as tall as Ram. Okay? डिग्री मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको पढ़ा दिया है. It was just a sample example. I don't think so there is any need to give you more examples. Ram is the tallest boy in the class. सीधा हमने इसको नेगेटिव बनाया है by changing into positive degree. No other boy in the class is as tall as Ram. Now last type, one more type. Type number 7. Okay. By removing 2. Remove 2. he is too tired to talk. ओके, ही इज टू टायर्ड टू टॉक। अभी इसको हम लोग कैसे निगेटिव बनाएंगे? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज इनटू निगेटिव? वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस टू। ओके, सी, ये टू की जगह पर हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? ही इज सो टायर्ड। टू की जगह पे क्या लिखा हमने? सो। ही इज सो टायर्ड दैट ही cannot talk. Got it? He is so tired that he cannot talk. One more example. He was too fat to run. Okay? फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है प्रेजेंट टेंस का, अभी ये सेकेंड सेंटेंस मैंने दिया है पास्ट टेंस का। He was too fat to run. I told you cannot, could not, cannot we are going to use in present tense, could not, past tense. So again, he was so fat that he could not run. Okay, समझ में आ गया? So this was all about how to convert affirmative into negative and negative into affirmative. How many types we have seen? First, simple, only using opposites. Second, without use of auxiliary verb in the sentence. Third, use of able, unable, cannot, could not. Then next one, imperative sentence. After that, few, not many, little, not much. Then degree of comparison, remove to. So I am sure students you have understood this topic. One thing you have to do, you are going to copy all the examples by giving type 1, type 2, type 3, जो भी मैंने बोर्ड पे जितना भी लिखा है, you are going to write everything in your grammar register. Okay? So we have completed here affirmative and negative sentences. Okay students, bye all of you, take care.